In this video, you are going to see how to align picture in Microsoft Word. Here I have a picture, here I have another one. Let us click on over here. If I want to move it freely, go to picture format, go to wrap text, click on in front of text. Now you can adjust the size like this. If you want to make this 3 in the same size, let us click on over here, hold down the control key, select this one and hold down the control key and select this one. I can change the height from here. Then the height will be changed. Let us make it 1 inch and click on enter. Now if I want to adjust it, let us put it like this. If I want to put it perfectly, select this one, hold down the control key, select this one and select another one. Now go to align, click on distribute horizontally. Then the spacing between two pictures will be same. Now go to align and choose this option, align middle. Then it will be in the perfect position. You will find various options over here. You can use the style as your choice. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.